Hello everyone, I'm Asiful Islam Alvi and today I'm going to talk about virtualization and hypervisor, the foundation of modern IT infrastructure. In this short presentation, I'll explain what virtualization is and its types and how hypervisor make it all possible. Let's start with the basic. What is virtualization? Virtualization is simply the process of creating virtual versions of hardware, storage networks, or even operating systems using software. In simpler terms, instead of using separate physical computers for different tasks, or virtualization allows one powerful physical machine to host multiple virtual systems on virtual machines. Virtualization plays a huge role in modern IT. It maximizes server utilization. It also simplifies disaster recovery. Virtualization enables cloud computing, which which powers platform like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. And finally, it supports remote work, allowing employees to access company systems securely from anywhere. There are mainly five types of virtualization used today: hardware virtualization, software storage, network, and desktop virtualization. Let's go through them one by one. Hardware virtualization allows multiple operating systems to run on a single physical server using a hypervisor. For example, a company might use a VMware EXI or KVM to run multiple servers virtually on one physical machine. Software virtualization lets applications run in an isolated environment regardless of the host operating system. A real life example is Wine, which allows Windows applications to run on Linux. Storage virtualization combines multiple physical storage devices into a single logical storage pool. This makes managing data much easier and more flexible. For instance, RAID arrays or storage area networks. Network virtualization divides a physical network into multiple virtual networks. This helps improve security and flexibility. For example, virtual LANs are used in offices to separate departments such as HR, IT, and finance, even though they are shared the same physical network. Desktop virtualization allows user to access virtual desktop remotely from any device. For instance, using VMware Horizon or Microsoft Remote Desktop, employees can log on into their office desktop from home or while traveling. Now that we understand virtualization, let's talk about what it makes possible: the hypervisor. Hypervisor is a special piece of software that manages virtual machines. It separates the hardware from operating systems and allocates CPU, memory, and storage to each virtual machine. There are two main types of hypervisors: type 1 or bare metal, type 2 or hosted. Type 1 are installed directly on hardware. They offer higher performance and security. For example, VMware AXI, Microsoft Hyper-V, or Critic's Zen server. And type 2 runs on top of an existing operating system, like for example, a VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. In conclusion, virtualization helps organizations use their hardware more efficiently, reduce costs, and improve flexibility. Hypervisors are the backbone that make virtualization possible. From cloud services to personal computers, virtualization is everywhere. Thank you, everyone.